I'm Matteo Forte, and here we are at our booth of MS and JK, where we do have basically whatever you can think about for digital production. We do have several machinery from our most famous JP4, entry level of 8 printers, up to our mini Lario, a machine of 64 printers for a productivity up to 900 square meter per hour. And of course our single pass offer, our famous Lario that could run up to 100 meter per minute productivity. And of course in terms of inks, we do offer any variety of inks from reactive to disperse, sublimation ink, and of course our most recent innovation, our new pigment 4K, a patent pending pigment solution that does not require any pre and post treatment. MS and JK are two companies that now are merged together but are present in the market since the digital revolution has started. So we are here, so we have years of experience that we always translate into technology. So we were the first one developing a single pass solution. We were one of the few developing the most reliable dye sub offer, thanks to the combination of our K1 inks together with the JP4, and most recently we have just launched our pigment solution that consists in an inline production made out of a machine, and of course the new patent pending ink, a Gradus, our new dryer that can go up to 180 degrees, that will dry and cure in one go, and of course a new calibration software that will boost the performances of the pigment ink, giving you better color results and a shorter process in the production time. So all of those together are our most recent innovation, but of course, as I said in the beginning, we do basically have an answer for all your needs in terms of digital printing production. Here you have behind me our MS-JK solution for pigment that consists of 4 main pillars. We have our famous JP7, a 16 printed machine that can run up to 250 linear meter per hour, combined with our newest technology, our patent pending pigment that does not require any pre and post treatment in order to perform very good results in terms of color brightness and in terms of hand feeling as well. Those two elements combined together, and thanks to our new freshly developed software that will boost the performance, will give you one of the best solutions in the market, all as an inline production, because we also have integrated a new drying system that will perform up to 180 degrees temperature that will help you to dry and cure your solution in one go. Yeah, we always say that now finally the future has arrived, mainly for one reason. I think it was already 15-20 years ago that we were starting talking about digital and even more about pigment in the digital industry, but the solution that was in the market was not yet up to the standard needed in order to make the transition from analog to digital. But finally we do have a very cost-effective solution with the needed results in terms of color brightness, in terms of hand feeling, in terms of productivity, to make this transition. That's why we say that now finally the digital pigment promise will be answered in the right way. So of course this solution that you see behind me, but not only this one, is always thought with the one key point in mind, that we want to be efficient, productive, but also eco-friendly. And this solution is basically the entire thing that you do need in order to perform your production. So you have only one machine where you don't have anymore any waste in terms of water consumption, because you can skip the steaming and the washing phase. There is no chemicals used, because you don't need anymore to pre-treat the fabric and to post-treat it in order to achieve the results that you need. And of course, having and using less machine, you will need also less space, so your environmental impact will be further reduced by the fact that you will use also less machinery, so less energy and also less space in order to do that. To give you some numbers, we ran a test comparing the digital reactive solution versus the digital pigment solution, and this test was showing that our environmental impact expressed in CO2 in kilos of CO2 was reduced by 95%, so 15 times lower. Sustainability is a key point. We have always in mind every time we talk about innovation, about a new product that needs to be developed. Therefore, for example, we made a very conscious decision years ago on the inks part, where we decided to only produce water-based ink. So there is no other inks that we produce, only water-based one. This is just one example. But to give you another one, our most recent innovation, the pigment one, can reduce the environmental impact of your production by 95%. So all the different elements that will have an impact on the environmental, from an environmental point of view, expressed in CO2, will be reduced by 15 times, so 95% lower. The water that you use in the production is also further reduced thanks to the fact that you don't need any steaming and any washing for the pigment solution, for example. And all of those elements will further make your business more sustainable, without forgetting that being digital is already the most sustainable way of printing fabrics. But we take that standard and we elevate it to another level.